guys, welcome to Beauticianchic's channel, your one-stop channel for all things beauty related. You guys already know my name is Chi, head makeup artist, Beauticianchic. We have other head makeup artists, Beauticianchic NG, Beauticianchic UK, but I am your head makeup artist, Beauticianchic. Okay, I would love to say a very big thank you to all my subscribers, all my popping queens all over the world. You guys have been showing us love, the lovely comment, the support. You guys, I appreciate you guys. I cannot do anything without you guys. Thank you so much. We love you guys. This is for you guys. Good news, Beauticianchic has expanded, so we're now in Nigeria. So if you live in Nigeria and you want to show Beauticianchic some love, all our details, everything you need to know about our Nigeria studio is under this video. Okay, so we do photo shoots, makeup, hair, pedicure, everything beauty and photo shoot. So if your birthday is coming up, why not check us out, Beauticianchic Studio NG. We're also on Instagram, people. Okay, this is for my popping queens in Nigeria. Okay, yes, we are expanding. Woo! Congratulations to us. Also, if you live in the UK and you want to book a makeup artist, a hairdresser, a beautician to come to you anywhere in the United Kingdom, please check on my platform, and it's called Mobile Afro Hairdressers and Beauty.com. On there we have over 300 beauticians. Anywhere you are in the UK, you can book someone to come to you anywhere. Yay! Also, if you want to book me, yes, the popping queen, your favorite popping queen, if you want to book me for your wedding event, yes, you can book me. I'm gonna put the link, okay, to my website direct link and also my direct email address. Okay, you can just email me, or you can check my website for more info. Okay, pricing, yes, you can check on my website www.beauticianchic.com. okay, actually I'll go and update that website with the price list. Okay, all my details is also under my videos, okay, in the description box. Okay, I know you guys have noticed we have been using Benefit Cosmetics eyebrow products on our channel. You guys, oh my god, my girls love them. My girls love Benefit Cosmetics brow pencil, especially their brow pomade. Okay, so this is how their pencil look like so. Okay, very nice. They have beautiful shade for everyone. I think my favorite one is 4.5 and 3 and also 5. My girls love 4.5. You guys have seen them using Benefit Cosmetics brow product on our channel. Like, we'll be using Benefit Cosmetics brow product for over a year now. Yes, we are what, the Benefit family. So Benefit Cosmetics are sponsoring our videos for the past 1 year, all thanks to Benefit Cosmetics brow product. Okay, you guys will always put their link under this video, and we have been loving it. You guys can see for yourself. We don't need to be talking, like saying much about the pencil. We have been using it on our channel, and you can see our brows are popping, especially this one, the brow pomade. Oh my god, my girls love the brow pomade. Like, it lasts longer, it's not moving anywhere. My girls love them. Also, I think I prefer, my favorite one is 5. My girls love 4.5. All the details, the link to all the product, the brow product that we use is always under our video. Okay, you guys, you know Benefit Cosmetics is our family. Okay, now we have a new family as well. So another of our family that we have is the Too Faced people. Too Faced. So we've joined the Too Faced family. So Too Faced is sponsoring our videos. You can see I just opened mine from the pack. My girls have been loving it. My makeup artists, all my makeup artists, they currently use Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Okay, that's what they use. I've not used it before because I'm like, okay, they be saying, oh my god, you need to use it. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna use it. Too Faced Cosmetics, they claim, yeah, that this mascara is what, better than sex. Can you believe that? They claim it's better than sex. Have you seen anything better than sex? If you haven't seen, Too Faced mascara, okay, is better than sex. Yes, so that's what the name is, Too Faced Better Than Sex. This one is the waterproof one, as you can see. Yeah, we actually used this one for one of our brides 2 weeks ago. Yeah, and she teared and it didn't rub. Okay, so this is their mascara. This is their waterproof mascara. So if you're like if you want like if you know like your bride is gonna tear, or somehow you're gonna tear, or just once, or you, oh, some people naturally tear. I have a friend that naturally just tears, so this is the best mascara she should be using. Okay, yes, you should use this one. It's the Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof mascara. Also they have the normal one, but this one again is better than sex, but it's not waterproof. Okay, so you guys, let's try it. Okay, you notice I do not have any mascara on. I'm still popping. So let's see. Okay, so oh my god, guys, I'm not gonna lie, no wonder my girls like try it. I'm like, okay, I'll try it on camera so that you guys can see my honest opinion, because I've not actually tried it. My girls have been using it for more than a month. You guys, they actually filmed a lot of videos last month using it, so we'll start uploading tomorrow, so you guys will see them using it. Oh my god, wow, you guys, this is better than sex. Woo, they did not lie. Wow, you guys, let me show you guys. You even think I'm wearing false lashes, right? You think I have false lashes on, right? Oh my god, wow, like look at that. Wow, false lashes is just extra. So if you have this mascara and you apply it first and put on your false lashes will even appear fuller. You understand what I mean? So because when you use a good mascara, yeah, and you apply your false lashes, it will even make it look more nicer. You know, when you have a fuller lashes and then your false lashes on top, then it's gonna be beautiful because it's gonna even look more natural. Wow, you guys, this is THEBEAUTICIANCHIC. Now let's use this one. This is the waterproof one. I'm going to use a waterproof one under here. Wow, it's beautiful, people, very nice. Wow, you can see the difference. You can just rewind this video and check me without my mascara on, and then check me out now. I am popping, I am slaying, like nobody can tell me nothing with these lashes. With my lashes looking like this, nobody can tell me nothing. It's so beautiful. Okay, so also so this is a freebie from Too Faced Cosmetics. Okay, I've got these freebies as well. Okay, yes, so I've got these freebies. Ta-da! This is their influencer pack. Okay, ta-da! So beautiful. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna show you guys what I've got here. So let me bring it out. I've got the mascara. Okay, Better Than Sex mascara. I don't think this is available to buy, this one. I think this one is just designed for influencers. Yes, this one with the butterflies. Okay, and also what have I got, people? I've got a nice blush, my favorite blush color, pink. Let's see what I've got here. Wow, I've got eyeshadows. Ooh, nice. Also, what is here? Oh, okay, they call this is a shadow primer, eyeshadow primer. Wow, they call it shadow insurance. Okay, it's gonna insure your shadow. Okay, then now I've got lipsticks. Let me bring them out, people. 4, 5, 6. I've got 6 lipsticks. Woo. Okay, I'm gonna open all of them, then I'll bring it up so you guys can see. One, this is red, so I have 3 red tones. Okay, and then I have these nude tones. Look at that. So yeah, These are the 3 colors that I've got. Okay, have this, I think they have this satin, finish. Okay, yeah, they have satin finish. Yes, they do have satin finish. See that, right? Yes. And then this one, this is a beautiful color. Probably gonna wear more of them. I love when lipstick have this satin finish. It doesn't make you look like you're just wearing something that is very strong. It makes it look sheer. And if you apply just a little bit and apply what's it called, if you apply a little bit and you apply like gloss on top, it's even going to be very natural. Okay, you guys, I can't wait to rock all of those lipstick. They are beautiful. Upcoming on this channel, okay, first of all, I got a lot of emails like who are requesting like, Chichi, your channel, we come to your channel to watch glam looks. Like, you guys love my channel because of the glam look. So I got these emails like, you guys, Chichi, we want more glam look because we come to your channel to watch more glam. But now it looks like I'll show you more of everyday kind of looks, everyday kind of style. I think it's because of the braids that we do. Yeah, still do waves and install, but we do like more of braids, you know, plaits, you know, caros and stuff like that. But you guys, the good news is, yes, the good news is we filmed a lot, like a lot of install videos, like party looks, glam, like install wave, you know, Brazilian hair and all those kind of styles. We filmed a lot last month. We filmed a lot on clients, models, a lot, and they are all edited. So from tomorrow, what you're going to be seeing on this channel is going to be proper like party look, like vom, like what you guys love. You guys like, oh my god, this is the reason why I will subscribe to this channel. Yes, we are coming back with the glam look. Okay, I guess you guys love glam look. If you love glam look like the people that are sending emails, so we even know if you just a few people who love the glam look and some people just like the normal everyday looks, please comment down below and say, yes, I also love your glam look, like your popping look. That is why you're the popping queen. This is why we call you the popping queen, because everything got to pop. But you guys, I'm not gonna lie, when I used to do that popping look, party look, some people will comment and be like, oh, want something like regular, no more just going to your friend's party, just going, you know, somewhere like no proper like full glam. The thing is, you cannot please everyone. I know, yeah, but yes, we have a lot of glam looks. So tomorrow, expect our glam looks. Okay, we are going to be giving it to you guys hot. Also, you guys are going to see a lot of Too Faced mascara, Too Faced liner, and of course Benefit Cosmetics brow product featuring. Okay, what's new? Another thing that is new or upcoming will be, you guys, before I tell you guys this one, I really want to plead with you guys to comment down below and let me know if it's a good idea. Okay, so I want to start doing something on this channel. What I want to start doing is, I want to start, obviously you guys know, because I have a studio in UK, I have a studio in Nigeria, and I also provide mobile services, okay, where beautician goes to people to do their hair, to do their makeup. So would you love me to do stuff like rating? Okay, I really want you guys to comment, because it's gonna be like once in a week. Yes, I'll be doing it once in a week, where I kind of rate like last week uploads. Okay, so I'm just gonna be like, I will select like 3 videos, like, because obviously most times I won't be the one doing the video myself. If I upload, which I'm going to be filming as well and I'm going to be uploading as well, but I'm not going to rate my one. I might rate my one as well, why not if not? But I want to be doing something like this, where I'll sit down, yes, and I'll kind of show a video that we've uploaded on this channel before, and we can just watch it together, you know, not from the beginning, because I don't want it to be boring, like little clip from each video, and be like, okay, this install, she could have done better, or the baby hair is not nice, the brows, I think it's too archy, it doesn't actually suit the model, you know. Or we can talk about the foundation color, if it's too light, like, oh, I think this foundation color is light, they should have gone with a little bit of you know, darker foundation, or it's too yellow. You know, that way as well we can learn, because remember when we upload videos as well, we don't talk through. So going back to those videos and kind of talking, rating them, or like saying something they could have done better, or if they did well, I can like, oh my god, this is so pretty, I love this, I love that, I love. So we're rating everything from the camera quality, the video production itself, the model itself. If the model is popular, like, oh my god, look at that model, or look at that client, or look at that, just we just call them model, call all of them model, like, oh my god, their model. If you're on camera, you're a model, and you're like, look at this model, look how she's popping, look how she's laying. So we can talk about, they're like, oh my god, why is she, or each one is chewing gum, or one is just keeping their face straight. We're like, why is she keeping her face straight? She didn't make the makeup actually, you know, look popping because of the way she's looking. You guys, so let me know, yes, let me know if it's something you guys will love. It will be nice, it will be kind of interactive, and then it will be more fun because you've already seen the video and you can now watch what I have to say about it. Even though maybe you've actually commented about that before, you can be like, oh yes, when I watched this video I said something like that. You get me? That will be fun. Let me know. You guys, I really want you guys to comment, okay, and let me know this particular one if it's something you guys would love to see. That way I can come more often as well on camera and talk to you guys, because you guys always send me emails saying you actually miss me talking. So this will be a good way of me coming, talking to you guys, and we can just, you know, just chat and just talk about something. At least it's gonna be nice for me to talk about videos published on my channel that is not done by me, rather than going to grab somebody's video, then I won't be able to talk. You get it? Because if I'm criticizing someone else's video, I might not be able to say what I really want to say, because I don't want the person to get angry. You get? But these people are my staff, so I can say whatever I want to say about their video. That way it will also help them to improve. Okay, so let me know, you guys. Remember, when you watch our videos, okay, for us to make more beautiful videos, for you to encourage us, because we are making these videos for you for free, for your viewing pleasure. Okay, I love watching makeup transformation video, hair transformation video. I'm a makeup artist, I'm a hairdresser, but I'm telling you this, guys, I also watch transformation videos because it's fun. Okay, it's just fun. It's something you love to watch. I just love to see the process from before and now the person is going to get glam. It's just nice to see. So if you're watching our videos for free, we're making these videos, we're putting a lot of effort to make these videos. The least you can do, my darling popping queen, is to like, yeah, comment, leave us a beautiful comment, and share with your family and friends. Of course your family will love to watch as well. Like, why not? Everyone enjoy watching transformation videos. Okay, share on your Facebook, share on your WhatsApp group, so you can encourage us, you can encourage my team to produce more video, you can encourage our videographer, our editors to put more effort, because you guys are what? Commenting, watching, and sharing, you guys. So from tomorrow, you guys, we're going to start posting transformation, our transformation, our actual transformation that we used to upload before. Okay, you guys, in some of the videos, the first set, I think the hairdresser, they were not actually familiar, they didn't really do well with frontal, so you guys excuse them, spare them. Okay, some frontals are not really, like, you know, done properly, but it was just the first week. Later on they were killing it. Okay, so bear with them, they will improve. Like you all know, everyone improve with frontal as time goes on. Okay, let me know if I'm still your favorite popping queen. I remember the popping queen. Yes, the popping queen is back. Yes, people. I love you guys.